Welcome to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia's buzzing multicultural capital. A city where gleaming skyscrapers tower over bustling streets and every corner feels alive with energy, flavor and culture. We've got only less than 24 hours here, but we're packing in as much as we can. From the iconic Petronas towers to the night markets filled with sizzling street food, Kuala Lumpur is a special city that you don't want to miss. So come along with us as we explore Malaysia's beautiful capital city in less than 24 hours.
At the Holiday Inn Express, which is in the heart of the KLCC.
Let's check out our room. Ooh, okay. The TV is playing already when we arrived. We did drop off our bags now. But look how cute. We're on the 19th floor, so we're quite high up. We've got some nice comfy beds. We really just came from the ghetto in Provincial Islands, to be honest. So this is a premium hotel room for us right now. We have aircon, we have real beds with real pillows. I've been sleeping on a neck pillow for the last 6 nights, so this is a serious upgrade. Nice little TV. These are our views. We're on the 19th floor, like I said, so we're really high up. Yeah, some cute paintings. We have a cute little desk and coffee station. We've got a nice bathroom. It's a real toilet. We have a private toilet. In Provincial Islands, we didn't have a private toilet at all. That is our crib for 260 RM per night altogether, including breakfast. So that's not bad at all.
So it's 4:30, let's go explore.
First up, we are gonna head to the famous Twin Towers, also known as the Petronas Towers. So it's about a 20-minute walk from our hotel, so let's go! Oh, that building reminds me of Shanghai.
You guys, they have a nice to see you.
Oh, it's nice to see you too.
No, you. So a bit of a backstory. When we lived in South Korea back in 2023, we religiously came to these stores every day. So for those who aren't sure what a nice to see you is, it's basically the Korean version of a 7-Eleven convenience store. So they also have this really popular thing here where you have these flavored juices like a tea or a coffee, and then you buy a cup of ice and you make your own drink on the go.
Okay, so we just got a little snack from the Nice to See You. I got my favorite Lipton iced tea because we don't have this back in China. And then I got some sushi. How cute. Smells good. Made it to the famous Petrona Twin Towers. Now I know what you're thinking. What's so special about these two towers? Well, these are the 2 tallest twin towers in the world. Each tower is 452 meters tall, and they were actually the tallest buildings up until 2004 when the Taipei 101 overtook them. But as it stands, they are still the tallest twin towers in the world at the moment.
The towers have 88 floors, and at the 41st and 42nd floors, the towers are connected by a sky bridge, which is the highest two-story bridge in the world. KLCC Park.
It's a really famous, beautiful park in Kuala Lumpur, so let's go check it out. They also have expensive, fancy malls with Dior, Chanel, all the big brands. People love their shopping. We don't really care about fancy shopping, to be honest, but we had to go through the mall to get to the park that we're looking for. So here we are. So we made it to Marks and Spencer's. It's literally like the British version of Woolworths, and we are obsessed with their snacks. Look at all these goods. They have hot cross buns. Like, this is literally Woolworths. Actually, even premium Woolworths. And these are the best chocolate chip cookies you'll ever have in your life. So of course we're gonna stock up on some snacks. Wow, the Twin Towers at night look stunning. Look how gorgeous they look lit up. Wow. Alright, I think it's time for dinner. We're gonna head to the famous Jalan night market. They are known for having really good food stalls and a whole bunch of other stuff. Everyone has been recommending it to us, including ChatGPT. So let's go find it. I think it's about a 25-minute walk. So let's go. We found the market. Half an hour later, and we literally found 100 rats along the way. But we made it. Let's go check it out.
As you can see, it is so busy.
Some fresh coconuts, coconut water. Got a lot of durian stalls, very popular. And some other fruit stalls. Yum. Some fresh mango. Oh no, that's durian. It's my least favorite fruit, by the way. Durian is clearly very popular, and I can smell it and I don't like it. But we have some meat skewers. This is the seating area where you can sit and eat your food. So far all I found is durian though. I ain't gonna be ordering that. Yo, it is busy, busy, busy. That looks yummy. Some fresh juice. Wow. Lots of people tonight. That looks yummy. They also have restaurants, so you can order meals with drinks. You don't want to get street food.
Lots of sizzling barbecue options, a lot of meats and sausages. This looks like some sort of pancake bread thing that they're making, and you can fill it with some meat. Ooh, these look nice. Some fruit drinks and fresh fruits.
I think we need a drink.
So this is a top seller. It's basically a dragon fruit and mango smoothie, and it is so delicious.
Yummy. Give us a taste test.
Fresh mangoes used.
And this was 12 RM. Not bad. We're going to share one because it's huge. It's like a liter.
So good.
Fried goodies, chipsticks, some corn dogs and chicken nuggets. This market is huge. Oh my word, it goes on forever and ever. I've already lost Erin. Honestly though, it's just really busy, but too busy. They also have little stalls for like shopping and souvenirs.
This looks like crumbed crab. I've never seen this in my life. If you like crab, then I'm sure you would like this. Some sizzling squid. Okay, it's very popular. Thai tea. We've actually made this before in our Thai cooking class. And these look like some sort of nuggets. Interesting. Okay. And you can fill it with some toppings and sauce over there. So it's actually called chutney puri. I don't know if that's correct. Then I found some jelly balls. Interesting. And then obviously you've got your sugar-coated fruit, a delicious-looking chocolate fountain. Oh my goodness. And some marshmallow and fruit sticks. And there's the waffle. So we decided to sit down and order some meals just to kind of fill up on something nice, and then we'll go around and get some like finger foods from the stalls. So far we've got some egg fried noodles. This cost us 12 RM. And we've ordered a few other dishes that are on the way. Ooh, that's so tasty. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, out of 10, 8 out of 10. Nice, 8 out of 10. For the next dish, we got some vegetarian spring rolls. Yummy. And these cost 15 RM. Let's see how they taste.
I think it's potatoes.
Oh, okay.
Not bad. And next up we have some veggie fried rice. So this is Chinese style rice? Yes, it's Chinese style rice. Brings us back home.
And then they also give you a little side portion of chili soy sauce.
Yum, love it. Well, I don't eat chili, but Erin loves it. This was 12 RM for this huge plate, and this is the small portion. Okay, give us a taste test. Good.
The chives in here add a really nice flavor.
Yummy. Out of 10?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Well, that was our 24 hours in Kuala Lumpur. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and coming along with us. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch out for future content. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. But for now, bye besties!